Do you know where to find what you need to cover to pass an online course? In this module, you will learn that in the course overview, also known as Welcome or Start Here, is where you will find information about dates to remember, assessments, time commitment, prerequisites, and much more. The material of the module is presented in lessons. All the lessons have a vocabulary practice, video presentation, and exercises. We suggest you cover the material of each lesson in the order it is presented. At the end of the module, you will need to take an assessment. You can take the assessment as many times as you want. The mark needed to pass is 80%. Finally, we would like to give you 5 tips to make your learning more gratifying. Tip number 1. Take notes. Have a notebook handy to write down what you think it is important to remember. You can always pause, rewind, or watch again the video or audio recordings to write down your notes. Tip number 2. Set aside time to study. Find times during the day you can study. Everybody is different and everybody has different things to do. Here are some ideas. Set a time 4 or 5 days during the week to study between 20 to 30 minutes each day. The time can be the same for all the days or different for some days. Another option is to set 2 days a week to study for 1 hour each day. Tip number 3. Keep your brain engaged. Study and review the material in different ways. Try watching the video presentation first and then review by reading the transcript. The more you study in different ways, the easier it will be to find the way you learn best. Tip number 4. Be kind to yourself. Figuring out how you learn best online takes time. So, if your study time is not working, just change it based on what you now know does not work. Some weeks will be better than others, so be flexible and make the changes to your study time to make it work. Finally, reward yourself for a work well done. Give yourself a high five for every lesson and module you complete. This little reward can be a happy dance or a little treat. Remember to celebrate in a big way when you finish the course. Now it is time to start lesson 1. Happy learning!